Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix unable to open file in Google Doc or Drive. To fix the unable to open file error in Google or Drive, you need to start by clearing your browser or application cache. So if you are going through your browser, what you can do is go ahead or if you are going through app, you can do it for both. Go ahead and long press that specific application icon, then tap on this I button or app info button. From there, scroll a little bit down and you will find this option called storage and cache. All you have to do is go ahead and you will find these options like clear storage and cache. Go ahead and try clearing it, and all your corrupted files or unwanted files will be deleted. And if you are on browser, what you can do is go ahead and if you are in browser, what you can do is go ahead and tap on this three-dotted icon, then tap on this new incognito app. Sometimes opening a private window also helps you run your Google Drive or Docs much more smoothly rather than in your main window. So I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.